Okay, part B of this question, it says find the x-coordinate of the point on the curve y equals x squared plus 6x, where the gradient of the tangent to the curve is 10, right? Now, what you need to appreciate here is we don't need to use first principles anymore, right? Okay, because this is part B, even though it's the same curve. But if we sort of draw a mock-up of a curve and it's saying find the x-coordinate, okay? So it's something there where the gradient of the tangent, so if I draw a tangent here, the gradient here would be 10, equal to 10, okay, at this particular x value. Now I don't know what it is, okay? Don't know what the y value is neither, okay? But it's not asking for that, it's just asking for the x coordinate, right? The x value. Now the good thing is we know, right, that the derivative of this, in other words, when you differentiate this, you get 2x plus 6, isn't it? We saw it by first principles up here. So dy dx is equal to 2x plus 6. And you need to remember that this represents the gradient function, okay? This is the gradient function. So, looking at this question now, we are told that the gradient of this tangent is 10. So in other words, okay, my dy dx, which is the gradient function, is saying it's 10 at this particular point. Okay, so we can say, look, at this point, dy dx is equal to 10. All right, and what's good about that is dy dx as a function is 2x plus 6. So we can put that as a function and put it equals to 10 because that's what the gradient is. Okay, that's what it is at this particular point. And you can work out what x is. So if you take the 6 over, was a minus, and you end up having then 2x equals 4. So then x will be 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. So there's my x value. Okay, and we've got it straight away. So we know now that there's going to be 2 there. All right, and you can check back in then, can't you? You can put 2 in here to see if it works out. You know, if you put 2 in the gradient function, well, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10. You get the gradient. You could also work out the y value as well. They're not asking for it though, but you could. So you could put 2 squared is 4, plus 6 times 2 is 12. So you end up having 16, isn't it? If they ask for it. But they don't want it, they just want the x value.